The other two pieces that you need to think about are the pricing. To have a product that is price parity or priced lower than the other items in the category. I wouldn't recommend you ever do that. We wouldn't do all this work that we're doing for your product. What we want to do, and generally what I do with my clients, we want to have supreme value, and then we also want to get paid for that. So we're going to help the buyer elevate their retail sales in the category by bringing customers to your product, new customers to the category, for them to upgrade to your product. That's very important. New people think the way I'm going to get on the shelf is by having a lower price. No, the way you're going to get on the shelf is by having greater value. It's not necessarily having a better price. And so that's what we want to demonstrate, that our product is innovative, that it brings value, and then we want to demand the price, that how your product fits in. And you really only can get that by going and looking at the stores, looking at your specific category, examining the shelves and looking at what's on the shelves, and then documenting what's on there. My goal is to get in there, and I'll do it with photography, or I'll do it with a notepad and information, but I want to get the product description, I want to get the size, so how many ounces is in that particular product, and then what's the retail. And then I'm going to start doing some simple math of what the retail price per ounce is and what the overall prices are. If I'm working with QVC television, which I've had 12 items, more than 12 items on QVC television, there is a specific price point I have to be at or above to be successful. If I'm working with club stores, I've brought 22 items into the club store business. Part of that is you've got to walk the aisle and you've got to look at the other items in that category, and your buyer is going to have a preference for a certain price point, and you generally can see that. So if your product's retailing for $4.99, $5, $7 in the market, there's a price that's going to be appropriate for the grocery store. The club store, there's going to be a price appropriate for direct to consumer on, say, for instance, PVC.